This is Valerie's turtle. This is Valerie's turtle. Say hi. Okay, now dance for the public. Show them how you shake your booty. Show them how you shake your booty.
He's like, I know on camera. Shake your booty, shake your booty.
Shake your groove thing, shake your groove thing.
Yeah.
That's how we do it. Shake your groove thing, shake your groove thing.
Shake your groove thing, shake your groove thing, yeah.
That's so cute. That's so cute.
Shake your booty, shake your booty. Shake your booty.
Oh.
Shake your booty. Shake your booty, shake your booty, yeah.
It's so cute.
I'm surprised he don't pee.
Look at him shaking his booty. Oh.
I hope it's not arousing him.
No. Maybe he thinks he's having sex. Oh my god. The guy shakes his booty. His little leg. The way he puts his leg real high. Still.
Look at the dog. No dog.
He wants to get rid of you. Show her you can shake your groove thing, Papa.
Or start doing tricks in that window or something.
He's gonna start begging like a dog and flipping over and doing all kinds of stuff so she won't get rid of him. So cute.
Do it on the other side. You want to have the Jordan?
Scratch the booty.
You just leave your finger right there?
He does it.
Yeah, he does it.
Yeah, he does it.
He's doing it.
Shaking his
Double
booty.
your finger and he'll do it by himself. See, he's doing it. Oh, maybe he itches.
He's like, oh, lay on side already.
Mira. He goes right in there. That's so cute. That's funny.